These are all nights we'll call and wonder where I belong. Those days alone, my eyes have seen you standing here. So many reasons if you say, just look your love here.
Tapos i-file mo
Now
doon
I
sa
feel I'm going home.
330,000.
Maganda niya kung may...
And the sun that I have sung, eagle in the distance, like the sun of a weary going world. Guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune.
Sa trabaho.
I can listen,
Wala ko lang 5,000, pinainom ko sa mga...
going round. Guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune.
Kapatid ko,
Guess
anak
I'll
ko, binigyan ako
be
ng 3,000 may
a soldier of fortune.
Ano ba? Nabagong tuno.
Oy!
Oh, tapos,
Hello everybody, this is me, I'm back.
isang karton na...
Okay, so ayan.
Magkano yun? Tapos, bulutan pa.
Knife yan, knife.
O yan, mamaya na ako.
Oh, ito naman oh.
Mamaya na nga ako. Sinasabi ko na ako talaga na hindi naman ako ng tao bitaw ng kwan. Dito dun sa elaborasyon doon.
Ikaw muna po.
Dumating
Mamaya
ka
na.
na pala.
Kanina pa kami kumakanta na
Dumating
yun,
ka na
Joey.
pala, pero hindi kita rin maano kasi nahiya din ako eh. Ayaw mo naman lumabas. Oh. Ako lang 2,000 maigit to. Yan na, pulutan mo, bangus.
Hi, Mr. Crop. Welcome.
Thank you so much sa 1 million viewers out there. So guys, we're having fun here. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.
Ano? Can you play?
Play ba, play?
Kala ko can you play? Pag kinuha ko lang ako.
Thank you sa 4 million viewers.
Kaya ako nito na maganda.
Love you all guys. Happy weekend sa Sunday tonight. Sunday today in the Philippines, you know.
May ibang araw na kasi yung kwarto doon. Ngayon, ang pinaka-best friend ko doon,
Wala.
Babataan.
Thank you for the like, my love. Don't forget to comment at the comment section.
It's beautiful day. Walking around with me.
Si Danica very busy, no?
I'm
Busy.
sweet.
Ayan.
Do you
Yung
feel alright?
Sunday today, no? So I'm having fun.
I feel wonderful tonight.
Sino?
Sa klase si Kenneth.